Siamo qui a sottoporvi per approvazione il
We are
bilancio
here
che
to
riflette
submit for your approval the financial statements reflecting the company's activities in 2015. After many years of crisis, the country's economic situation showed the first signs of growth in terms of gross domestic product, albeit at a modest level that fell short of expectations. Energy consumption was less impacted by climatic factors than in the previous year, although it remained below the longer-term seasonal average. Against this background, however, the results of the group's activities made it possible to add another year of positive performance to the unbroken sequence achieved since its creation. The financial result showed EBITDA of €884 million, representing an increase of 2%, and a group share of net profit of €180 million, up by 9.5% compared with the previous year. This economic growth was also accompanied by good results in terms of financial strength, and a positive trend in the share price, €2.44 at the end of the year, with annual growth of 25.2%, bringing the market value of the Hera Group to more than €3.6 billion. These results are partly attributable to the decisive actions taken to improve efficiency and reduce costs, giving rise to an increase in organic growth across the board, both in regulated sectors and in liberalized markets, through the acquisition of additional market share. A significant contribution to the 2015 results was also made by the more recently acquired regional businesses, which, through progressive integration into the group, helped to increase the synergies expressed by those regions in accordance with the 5-year strategic plan, producing further growth in EBITDA per employee. There were, however, fewer opportunities for widening the scope of the business, perhaps partly because of the expectation, which was present throughout the year, of the imminent adoption of numerous laws and regulations to facilitate consolidation and industrialization processes in the sector. In the event, these measures did not materialize until after the end of the year. Nevertheless, action was taken on this external development front through a number of operations which, although on a smaller scale than in the past, seized some new market opportunities that will make their full contribution to operating growth in 2016 and are added to the benefit deriving from the completion of the absorption of AMGA Udine. Net investments rose substantially to €333 million, in line with forecasts. The generation of resources, in addition to ensuring full coverage of investment needs and the payment of dividends, as well as the completion of the acquisitions mentioned above, made it possible to further improve the financial strength indicator, with a net debt to EBITDA ratio of 3 times, and to obtain a strengthening of the group's financial standing, as rated by Moody's, with an improvement in the long-term outlook. This year, once again, as anticipated for some time, we therefore propose to the meeting that a dividend per share similar to that of last year should be paid in accordance with the recently renewed 5-year business plan, which confirmed the strategic approach and increased the economic and financial growth forecasts. In terms of service quality, the group again achieved positive customer ratings, with significant improvements in all sustainability indicators, as detailed in the sustainability report. In conclusion, the year was a test of our ability to face up to the complex scenario and fulfill our commitments in terms of implementing the strategic choices made with the help of the entire organization, which in 2015 obtained numerous recognitions of the company's standing. We therefore submit for your assessment the results of these actions, while continuing to tackle the further challenges that await the group in this third year of office.